We have undeniable footage of the new DJI Osmo Pocket 4 from a Malaysian retailer. This leak confirms the device is production-ready with final packaging and UI. Key upgrades include a classic design with new physical buttons for easier control, and a revolutionary built-in LED light on a hinged arm for adjustable lighting. The software features a new Supero mode for automatic image optimization. Stock is already at retailers, meaning the official launch is imminent. That is exactly what just happened with the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. We have fresh, undeniable footage. This isn't a blurry photo from a factory floor or a sketch. Footage from Malaysian retailer. This is a full-on, hands-on video that slipped out from a retailer in Malaysia. Honestly, this leak tells us everything we need to know about the new device. Confirms what we suspected. It lines up perfectly with everything we have been suspecting. Usually, when we see leaks this clean, it means one thing. The launch is right. Around the corner. DJI marketing strategy. DJI has a pattern of letting these accidental leaks surface right before the official announcement window. It builds hype and gets people talking. Looking at this footage, this unit looks ready to go. Production. Ready unit. The packaging is done. The user interface is polished. There is nothing experimental about what we are seeing. This is a production-ready. Camera likely sitting in a warehouse right now. No dramatic design overhaul. Let's talk about the design first. If you were expecting a completely crazy new shape, you might be surprised. There is no dramatic overhaul here, and that is actually expected. Classic gimbal layout. The Pocket 4 is sticking with that classic vertical gimbal layout. That is the signature look. It fits in your hand, slides into your pocket, and keeps the footage stable. Major usability refinements. But while the general shape is the same, this video confirms some massive refinements. It is the small details that change how you actually use the camera. The biggest change is the buttons. Physical buttons confirmed. The leaked video confirms extra physical buttons on the grip. This is a big deal. For a long time, users have been asking for this to avoid constant menu tapping. Shoot first. Tweak later. It makes sense. When you are in the moment, you don't want to be swiping through a tiny screen. You want to press a button and keep moving. It feels much more practical. Revolutionary built-in light, but here is the part nobody really saw coming. This is the feature that is going to get everyone talking. There is a built-in LED light, and it isn't just glued to the body. Hinged arm mechanism. It appears to be mounted on a specialized small arm. This arm has two hinge points. There is one hinge behind the light itself and another at the base. Adjustable lighting angles. Do you know what that means? It means you can actually adjust the angle. You can manipulate where the light hits. This is absolutely huge for vloggers who need quick setups. Perfect for night vlogs. Think about those quick night vlogs or walking into a dark restaurant. Usually, you have to carry an extra light attachment. With the Pocket 4, you just flip the light arm up. All in one. Creator Toolit is simple, integrated, and solves a major pain point. It takes the Pocket name seriously. You have your stabilization, your camera, and your lighting all in one unit. New. Software Supero mode. The leak didn't just show the hardware though, it gave us a peek at the software. The video briefly teases a mode called Supero, which might sound familiar to camera fans. Automatic scene optimization on GoPro cameras. Similar features analyze the scene you are looking at. It automatically applies processing like HDR or noise. Reduction to optimize the shot without you doing anything. Smarter. Background processing. If DJI is implementing Supero in a similar way, this is great news. It means you take a photo and the camera does the heavy lifting to make it look professional instantly. Legal and trademark issues using. That exact name is interesting since it is the same category as GoPro. However, DJI is a massive company. If they are shipping this globally, legal clearance is handled. Everything is finalized. We have gone over rumored specs before, so we won't stretch this out. What matters is that this leak confirms the direction. The hardware looks final and the UI looks polished. Waiting for the date, retailers in places like Malaysia are clearly getting stock. When that happens, the clock is ticking. This doesn't feel like a maybe anymore. It feels like we are waiting on a date. The missing puzzle piece. The addition of the physical buttons shows that DJI is listening to professionals, but that Hinged light is the real game changer. It turns this into a 24/7 content creation machine.